What's up everybody, my name is Patrick and I'm a service representative here at Lamtrac, and in today's video I'm super excited to show you this cab assembly on this brand new LTR6160T. First things first, this cab is fully certified for the following ROPS, OPS and FOPS. It also features a cab pressurizer which ensures there's a positive pressure inside the cab at all times so the dust stays out. And as we can see here, we have a huge side door, and this side door features a 3-point entry. As you can see, this cab is very spacious. It features a hair ride seat by the touch of a button, fully adjustable armrests. Here we have the vertical joysticks. This machine also has a very powerful AC system. Here we have the emergency stop, we have the keypad, we have a Bluetooth sound system, we have our display screen, which is your control center. It also features a phone holder, and here we have the full high-definition backup camera. These are all standard features on the Lamtrac product. I really hope you enjoyed today's video about the cab assembly on this LTR6160T. Please follow us and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos to come.